had to replace two bearings in the deck. These two. A little bit of play. And I had to take the blade off because my makeshift washer I made, where is it? It's a hole in the bank now. My makeshift washer for the blade fits in, but the hole circumference for the bolt was too big, so I had to put the old blade back on. That was all. Okay, my video stopped, so I'm going to continue this. When I made this, first I had it's not here. One of the washers, I think it's one of these washers. Like I have that washer, but you notice that the hole was too big for the nut that hooked up. So this ring on the other side was with a kit, and these other ones was another kit I bought years ago. So I took one of these, a little smaller hole, ground it, and stuck it in here. But still, the circumference was too big for the boat. So what I had to do was put the old blade back on, the straight one, well, fairly straight, and run it. Ran good until I found out when I hit the frame of the deck, I took a bearing out. So, like I said, I had to replace these bearings. $30 a piece. Not cheap from Napa. And I didn't tell you that story, did I? I got the parts from Princess Auto. Got universal blades for, you know, they were cheap. They're on sale for like $8. Came to, I don't know, shipping $29 for two blades. Well, they shipped me, as you noticed, they shipped me one package. Monday, well actually, I went on their contact list and contacted them, and they called me. Guy reversed me my money, and then he's sending me another blade for the one that they messed up on. So I can get two packages. Apparently you're supposed to get two packages for both blades. I only got one package for one blade had no package. So I just might tack that nut with the welder, I don't know, or just rethread it. I don't know, put in the comments what you think. So I use that big socket to pound in my bearings. Then I used my rubber mallet on top, and then I had to crank. Finally got the bearings in, cranked her down to pull, and my tools, ratchet. And then I decided to use the friggin' impact gun. That's when I stripped it. Not a happy camper. I should have left it alone, but I wanted to know myself. I wanted to get it done and get it over with. Hasn't moved. There's the old blade right there, and it hasn't moved. So I stripped her good. There's some threads. They bit on the threads, and I got it tightened up, hand tight. Anyway, learn from your mistakes. One of those things, gadgets, it's not cheap. Someday I want to take it to the car, rethread it with a different nut, and put the washer back in.